everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Forex indicator to find high probability trading opportunities. First of all, you can see that this is my real trading account, not a demo account. Now let's select the Forex indicator. Next, we'll choose our first trading pair CHF-JPY. As you can see, the indicator is giving us a buy signal. The blue line is above the red line, showing strong bullish momentum. Based on this confirmation, I'm placing my first buy trade. Now let me explain how the Forex indicator works. The Forex indicator is a trend-following indicator that helps traders identify the direction and strength of the market trend. It consists of two lines. Blue line, VI+, represents bullish momentum. Red line, VI, represents bearish momentum. When the blue line crosses above the red line and stays above it, it indicates that buyers are in control and a buy opportunity may be available. When the red line crosses above the blue line, it suggests that sellers are gaining strength and a sell opportunity may be available. Always wait for proper confirmation and use good risk management before entering any trade. As you can see, our first trade has ended in a win. Now let's move on to our second trade. This time we've selected another USD currency pair. And once again, the Forex indicator is giving us a buy signal. So we're placing another buy trade. And as you can see, our second trade is also a win. If you also want to improve your trading skills and receive high-quality free trading signals, make sure to join our Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the description below.